goal of this activity is to work the legs, loosen up the hips, trunk. Here's what you're gonna do. Grab a yoga block, put it between your legs. You want a straight line from your foot to your knee to your hip. Line your back. You should feel weight on the top part of the pelvis. Take one hand, put on your stomach, other one goes on your chest. You're going to press the inner heel and the ball of the big toe straight down, making sure the upper pelvis stays on the ground. So you don't want to bridge up like this. You're going to get a little pressure. You'll feel your hamstrings working. Hold this position. Silent, low key. Inhale through the nose. Have it take 6 to 10 seconds. Soft exhale through the mouth, nice and slow. If you get it right, you'll feel both hands move up on the inhale, both hands move up on the exhale. Don't feel that? Go slower. And maintain pressure through the feet throughout. And that's how it's done. Give it a shot.